Hi there, students. This is going to be a quick video on how to install a zip file into your student directory. So for example, here I have exploringmaya2008.zip, and I've clicked it and it's downloading into this lower portion of the Chrome environment. You can see it down here. And I had one down, so I'm just going to cancel this last one here. So Exploring Maya 2008. Now, because of the file restrictions in place on your computer, you can't just open it up. If you do, you're going to be working in it, but it's not going to be in a place where you're going to be able to edit or save files later. You're going to be working out of the downloads directory, which you cannot access. You can't write data to later on. So what you need to do is minimize this window. So that means go up here, shrink it down a little bit, just like that, okay? Don't close these things off at the bottom yet, but get it so that you can have your window open, and over here you can have File Explorer open. So File Explorer is that little yellow folder that you've opened up at some point in time before. I've had you do this before in class. So you've clicked it, you have maybe some documents, some other stuff like that viewable over here. And then what you do is you take this exploring zip file at the bottom of your Chrome window and you drag it and you drop it on top of documents, just like that. So then when you click into documents, you see I've got a bunch of stuff here. But one of those things I have is Exploring Maya 2018 in here. You will see that as well if you click on Documents. Then you right-click on that, and you say, okay, because who cares about that? And then you hit Extract All, and that's going to create a Exploring Maya 2018 directory in your student directory area. Once you have that available, you can then work out of that folder itself. So you'll see something like Documents, Exploring Maya 2018, and from there you'll want to double click and open workspace.mel, not before finding that in your directory, okay? So those are the steps you need to take to be successful in getting this started, and then following the steps in the